Hey guys, it's Victoria. Long time no see. I am back. I'm back on YouTube. I'm ready to start putting up makeup videos and all that fun stuff. So let's just get right on into it. The makeup look I did today is just like a really simple, like summer, no foundation, everyday type of look. This is a look I wear a lot, like whenever I'm running late to work, because honestly, foundation, it can be a pain. And also in the summertime, I don't really like wearing foundation that much because I'm sweating a lot and I feel like it melts off my face and I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to show you this simple makeup everyday type of look. So yeah, just keep on watching. Hey guys! Okay, so to start out with, I'm going to do my primer, which is the No Poreblem primer. I don't know, I got a BoxyCharm. Anywho, so I just start off by putting that all over my face. Just rubbing on that in. The next thing I do is I take my Tarte Shape Tape and I just put it under my eyes, and that's the only place I put concealer, but if you need to put it on any acne spots or anything, just do that. Just spot conceal, but then I just blend it out with my Morphe brush. I think it's the G38. I think they discontinued that brush, but you can use your beauty blender, whatever you have, so. And then I put like just a little bit on my nose because I get a little bit of redness on my nose, but you don't even have to do that if you don't want to, so yeah. And then I use my Peach Perfect powder by Too Faced. I just put that where I put the concealer, which is just under my eyes. And then I use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I use that to contour my face. And I use this Crown contour brush. And then I put Benefit Hoola as my bronzer, so I'll put that right over the contour and then like on the sides of my temples and my jawline, just to give me more of a sun-kissed look. And then I use my Laura Geller blush. I got this in a BoxyCharm as well. I have the color listed down below. It's just a really pretty, like, rosy, dusty pink color. It makes me look all glowy and pink, so love that. And then I spray my face with Urban Decay All Nigher setting spray, so then the highlighter will pop more. And then after that, I use my Benefit brow pencil and I just fill in my eyebrows. Nothing too fancy here. Alright, and the next thing I do is I take my Ofra highlighter in Star Island, and I will just highlight my cheekbones and the sides of my forehead, and the tip of my nose, just make it real nice and glowy, because I love the glow. And then I just go over it with my blush brush if I feel like it gets a little bit too intense, just to blend it all together, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I spray my face one more time with my All Nighter setting spray, just to melt all those powders and highlighter together, so make it look more skin-like. So then I take my Hoola bronzer and I just put it in my crease as eyeshadow. So nothing too fancy, just put it in your crease. And then I take that same Ofra highlighter that I use and I'll put it in my inner corners, on my brow bone, and on my lid. So super simple. You don't even have to worry about getting out a whole eyeshadow palette. Just use your bronzer and highlighter that you already use. So. Then after that, I use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just put a coat of mascara on my lashes. The power of mascara, huh? And then after that, I just take a spoolie and I'll scrape off any of the boo-boos that I made. That's a little trick. And then I take my Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk and I just use that as lip gloss. I don't worry about lipstick on days like this, so I just bring a lip gloss with me because it's so much simpler. So and then I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.